Hi, I'm Al from Bin Warehouse. In this video, I'll be assembling a Bin Warehouse 8-Tote Storage System.
The only tools needed will be a powered Phillips head screwdriver. Let's open the box, remove and identify all the pieces. We will start by assembling the front grid using a number 2 center vertical, taking note of the distance from the hole from either end, the shorter distance being the bottom. Now using a number 1 horizontal crossbar, paying close attention of the direction arrow of insertion, and also pay close attention to the alignment impulse. This will be your stopping point when inserting the horizontal crossbar. It is important to keep the alignment impulse down and the holes facing away from you. Now let's repeat this step 3 more times. Next we will install the number 4 left front corner vertical. Now install the number 5 right front corner vertical. That completes the assembly of the front grid. Next, assemble the rear grid, repeating the same steps as we did for the front grid. Now let's lay the front grid on the floor and we will insert the 8 horizontal slide rails into the 4 horizontal crossbars. Now lay the horizontal slide rails down. This will make it easier to install the fasteners. We will install 8 number 8 screws, making sure that all horizontal slide rails are fully inserted, and make sure the screws are inserted in the bottom hole only. This will allow your totes to slide in and out with ease. Next, stand up all the horizontal slide rails and we will attach the rear grid to the front grid. Now install the 4 number 7 wall mount extension tubes. Now install 8 more of the number 8 by 3/4 fastening screws, attaching the horizontal slide rails to the horizontal crossbars. Once again, make sure that all horizontal slide rails are fully inserted. Next, install the 4 number 6 wall mount flanges. Now let's set the unit against the wall, making sure that the corner verticals are fully compressed onto the horizontal slide rails and the center vertical is tight to the alignment impulse. Now take 12 of the number 8 by 3/4 fastening screws and we will attach the corner verticals to the horizontal crossbars and the center vertical to the horizontal crossbars. Now let's repeat the same steps for the rear grid, once again making sure the corner verticals are tight and the center vertical is tight to the alignment impulse. Now we will install the number 8 by 1.5 inch wall mount extension tube fastening screws. Now install 4 of the number 8 by 3/4 fastening screws to mount the 4 wall mount flanges to the 4 wall mount extension tubes. The final and important step is to mount the unit to the wall using the supplied mounting hardware. This completes our assembly, and thank you for purchasing Bin Warehouse products.